Can Claude AI write a book? Now, this question is very difficult to answer because definitely any AI would be able to write a book in 2026. Now, if I ask Claude the same question, can Claude write a book? It will definitely answer yes, it can write a book, but there might be simple catch that the book will feel definitely a bit AI like, and people are not gonna like the fact that you are using AI to write a book. But the answer here is yes, and if you still want to use Claude, it will give you suggestions, and best way is to write a book if you want to be a writer, or if you just want to write, is better to ask some catchphrase or some overlining ideas with Claude and then write it by yourself. That way you will improve your skill as well, and you will get the necessary help with Claude as well. And the answer to your question is yes, you can write a book with Claude. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.